If you're wondering how to generate a payslip in Xero, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can start creating payslips like a pro, even if you're new to the software. Before we dive into the details, make sure to check out the first link below for an exclusive offer. You can access Xero for free with some fantastic bonuses, which makes this the perfect time to get started. Now let's get into the task of generating a payslip in Xero. Once you've logged into your Xero account, navigate to the payroll section. This is where all your payroll data is managed, including payslips, employee information, and pay runs. To start creating a payslip, you need to have completed a pay run. If you haven't done that yet, you'll want to set up a pay run first. Click on Pay Runs under the Payroll tab, and then select New Pay Run. You'll need to fill in the details, such as the pay period and the employees included in the pay run. Make sure that the correct pay calendar is selected, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on your payroll system. Once your pay run is created and finalized, it's time to generate the payslips. From the pay run screen, click on the Generate Payslips button. Xero will automatically create the payslips for all employees in the pay run, showing their earnings, deductions, and any other relevant details. Each payslip will contain the breakdown of an employee's pay, taxes, deductions, and any other components you've set up in the system. The beauty of Xero is that it calculates everything for you, reducing the chance of errors and making payroll much easier to manage. Now, if you want to customize the payslips, you can do that too. Xero gives you the flexibility to add logos, customize the layout, and even adjust the content to fit your company's specific needs. Simply go to the Payroll Settings section, then select Payslips. Here, you can tweak the payslip template to make sure it aligns with your branding. Once you've reviewed the payslips and confirmed everything looks correct, you can either print them out or send them electronically to your employees. Xero allows you to email the payslips directly to employees, which is not only quicker, but also more environmentally friendly. You can track whether employees have received their payslips by looking at the sent status in the payslip report, ensuring everything is completed smoothly. One key thing to remember is that if you want to create payslips for prior periods, Xero allows you to do this as well. Just go back to the relevant pay run and select the payslips you need to generate for that past period. In addition to generating payslips, Xero offers other payroll features like automatic tax calculations and year-end reports, making it an all-in-one solution for payroll management. And if you want to go beyond the basics, you can integrate Xero with other tools, such as accounting software, to streamline your entire business process. That's a wrap on how to generate a payslip in Xero. Remember, you can use this software completely free from the link in the description below, and it comes with an exclusive extended free trial. Don't forget to take full advantage of all the features Xero has to offer. Whether it's payslips or managing your business finances, this software makes everything easier.